Good morning. Are you Janetta Pugh?
I am the beneficiary of that estate.
You're the what?
I am the beneficiary of that estate.
You're the beneficiary of what estate? Answer my questions, please, ma'am. I'm just trying to understand.
Beneficiary of that estate.
Wow. We're literally 10 seconds in, and she's already refusing to answer who she is. This is classic sovereign citizen energy. Acting confused, questioning simple identity checks, and derailing the process before it even begins. Judges hate this because it signals the rest of the hearing is about to be chaos.
Okay. What's the announcement?
Judge, it's my understanding that Ms. Pugh and her family has retained an attorney on this matter. You may, I don't know if you remember, Judge, this is when I was originally appointed on, and we were on the trial docket. She hired a new attorney at that point. Mr. Norwood, who was on the case for a while, and then withdrew once. Recently, when the case came back to me, I visited her and was told that they did retain another attorney. I was given the name of Christopher Wiley this morning, but I have not heard from him. And my understanding is that at this point still hasn't filed anything with the court.
Okay.
But I've been told that that's who's supposed to be taking over the case.
Okay.
This part is crazy. She's gone through multiple attorneys. Hired, fired, withdrawn, and nobody seems to stay on this case. That's usually a big red flag. When even your lawyers can't deal with you, the court gets very cautious.
For the record, I recognize Ms. Pugh. She's been here before.
I do as well, for the record.
And I looked into Mr. Christopher Wiley. I can't find that person as a practicing lawyer in the state bar page, and I have not been contacted by anybody on Ms. Pugh's behalf.
And here's the twist. The attorney she claims to have hired, the judge can't even verify this person exists. No license, no contact, no filing. This happens a lot in sovereign citizen cases. They claim fake representation to delay the case.
All right. So, Ms. Pugh, Mr. Lewis has been appointed to represent you at this point. Obviously, you know as well as anyone that you're in custody. We want to get your case taken care of. If you've hired or your family has hired another lawyer, then they have to contact the court so that we can do something with your case. And do you know if they've hired someone?
Respectfully, Your Honor, I do not agree with your appointed foreign agents, considering that their first duty is to the state and will be considered conflict of interest. Your Honor.
Okay, so if you don't want...
Now she claims court-appointed attorneys are foreign agents with duties to the state. This is complete sovereign citizen jargon. The judge gives her the real options. Hire someone, represent yourself, or accept the public defender. No magic loopholes.
The only thing I can do, I'm appointing an attorney to you to help you, right? So if you don't want a court-appointed attorney, then your only option, two things. One is to represent yourself or to hire a lawyer. So if you don't like the way it works, then you do something different. So are you, listen to what I'm saying. Are you either going to represent yourself, or are you going to let Mr. Lewis represent you, or are you going to hire someone?
Objection, Your Honor. Respectfully, is this a court of record?
It is a court of record. So you're...
This part is wild. She starts objecting nonstop. Sovereign citizens love to say respectfully before interrupting. Like that protects them from consequences. It doesn't. Judges will overrule instantly because it has zero legal meaning.
Objection's overruled.
Okay. Respectfully, Your Honor, where is the verified claim that is being placed against my trust?
It's right here. It's called an indictment. And Mr. Lewis has a copy of it, and he can show it to you. So that would be the verified claim against you.
Okay. Your Honor, respectfully, Your Honor.
Here she demands a verified claim against her trust. Again, sovereign citizen language, they think criminal charges are financial claims. The judge just shows her the indictment, which is literally the official charging document.
Writs that was filed to the case that still haven't been received.
I've received your petition for writ of habeas corpus, and it's denied.
Okay. Respectfully, Your Honor, I demand to be released due to lack of evidence of stated claim and not being given the proper opportunity to obtain proper counsel, effective defense.
It's overruled.
Um,
Now she demands release due to no evidence, after the judge already explained the indictment. This is the moment judges realize she doesn't want help, she wants control, and that's impossible in a courtroom.
okay.
You're running out, aren't you?
No, it's fine.
So here's the thing, Miss Pugh. I appreciate your position, but listen,
Respectfully, Your Honor,
Miss Pugh,
with
don't
my
speak over me.
incarceration, respectfully, Your Honor, with my incarceration being
Miss
so-
Pugh, just because you say respectfully does not mean that you get to interrupt me. That's disrespectful, right? Hang on. Listen to me. Everything you have there is overruled. And here's one of the reasons why, is because you have a lawyer. And your lawyer will file the appropriate motion. You're interrupting me again, which is disrespectful.
Here's where the judge finally snaps, and honestly, she handled this better than most would. The defendant keeps interrupting, saying respectfully, while being disrespectful. The judge finally lays down boundaries. Stop interrupting or face consequences.
So I'm going to leave Mr. Lewis as your attorney unless you choose to represent yourself or hire someone else. I'm going to give you 2 weeks to determine what you're going to do. You can go back. You can go back with the bailiff.
I do not or comply to your appointed
Go back.
agents.
You already said that, and that's overruled.
Is to the state.
Go back with the bailiff. Get your own attorney or represent yourself if you don't like it.
And right here, she pushes too far. Even after being warned, she keeps interrupting. The judge ends the hearing, gives her 2 weeks to decide on representation, and orders her back with the bailiff. This wasn't just disrespect. This was self-destruction in real time.